Did you know that your sleep position can influence your health, from your spinal alignment to digestion and even your skin? Let's dive into the fascinating science behind how your favorite sleeping posture impacts your body. Sleep is essential for our overall well-being, but the way we sleep can have a significant impact on our spine health. Many of us are unaware that our favorite sleep positions might be causing more harm than good. Let's explore how each position impacts your health. Your sleep posture affects key bodily functions like spinal alignment, circulation, digestion, and breathing. First up, sleeping on your stomach or prone position, lying face down with the head turned to one side. Sounds cozy, right? Many people find this position comfortable, but it's one of the worst for your spine. When you sleep on your stomach, your neck is forced to stay twisted for hours, which can lead to severe neck pain and stiffness. Additionally, this position puts a lot of pressure on your lower back. Your spine is not in a neutral position, and the natural curve of your lower back is flattened. This can lead to chronic lower back pain and discomfort. Say hello to neck stiffness and back pain. This position puts the weight of the body on the chest and compresses the chest, thereby preventing optimal expansion of the lungs and reducing breathing capacity. However, this position can reduce snoring as it prevents the tongue from blocking the airway. In short, it is one of the worst sleeping positions, so it should be avoided. Second, back sleeping or supine position. Sleeping on your back with arms at your sides or in a starfish position. This position can be beneficial if done correctly. Back sleeping offers several health benefits by promoting optimal body positioning during rest. It supports proper spinal alignment, ensuring the head, neck, and spine remain in a neutral position, which helps reduce pressure on joints and alleviates back and neck pain. Additionally, slightly elevating the head in this position can prevent stomach acid from moving into the esophagus, effectively reducing the risk of acid reflux. Another advantage of back sleeping is its role in wrinkle prevention, as it minimizes direct facial contact with the pillow, reducing skin compression and the formation of wrinkles over time. However, without the right pillow or mattress, your lower back can curve unnaturally. This leads to strain and chronic back pain. This can lead to snoring and sleep apnea, as gravity causes the tongue and soft tissues to fall backward, narrowing the airway. It's crucial to ensure that your mattress provides adequate support and that your pillow keeps your head in a neutral position. Third, side sleeping, lying on your left or right side, often with legs extended. Sleeping on the left side is particularly effective for improved digestion as it aligns the stomach and intestines, enhancing digestive processes and reducing acid reflux. This position also helps reduce snoring by keeping the airways open, making it a preferred choice for individuals with sleep apnea. Moreover, side sleeping supports brain health by aiding lymphatic drainage, a process that facilitates the removal of brain toxins and may reduce the risk of neurological disorders. However, constant pressure on one shoulder can cause pain or discomfort over time, potentially leading to long-term problems if not addressed. Additionally, the increased face contact with the pillow on one side can contribute to skin pressure, which can accelerate wrinkle formation and impact skin health. If your pillow is too high or too low, your neck can become misaligned, leading to neck pain. Additionally, crossing your top leg over the bottom can twist your spine, causing discomfort and pain. It's essential to keep your spine in a neutral position while sleeping on your side. Lastly, side sleeping with fetal position. This is another popular sleep position where you curl up like a ball. While it might feel comforting, it's not great for your spine. When you sleep in the fetal position, your spine is compressed and your intervertebral discs are strained. Over time, this can lead to poor posture and even herniated discs. Additionally, curling too tightly in this position can restrict the movement of the diaphragm, which can limit deep breathing throughout the night. This reduced airflow can affect oxygenation and overall sleep quality. It's important to be mindful of how tightly you curl up. Now that we've covered the problematic sleep positions, let's talk about how to improve your sleep posture for a healthier spine. If you prefer sleeping on your back, use a supportive mattress and place a pillow under your knees to maintain the natural curve of your spine. For side sleepers, use a firm pillow to align your head with your spine and place another pillow between your knees to keep your hips aligned. This will help reduce strain on your lower back and hips. Avoid sleeping on your stomach as much as possible. If you must, use a very thin pillow to minimize the strain on your neck and lower back. It's also helpful to place a pillow under your pelvis to keep your spine in a more neutral position. Remember, the key to a healthy spine is maintaining a neutral position while you sleep. This means keeping your spine aligned and avoiding positions that cause unnecessary strain or pressure. Investing in a good quality mattress and pillows can make a significant difference in your sleep quality and spine health. Don't underestimate the importance of a supportive sleep environment. In addition to adjusting your sleep position, consider incorporating some gentle stretches and exercises into your daily routine to strengthen your back and improve your posture. This can help alleviate any existing pain and prevent future issues. Remember, a healthy spine is crucial for overall well-being, so take the time to care for it properly. Give your spine the rest it deserves. Sleep smart, sleep healthy. Keep watching Med grow and take care of yourself.